Hello everyone! We're here at Brizo Hotel, Brizo Resort at Bataan. So this is the place that we are staying right now. So many rooms here. You can hear some birds chirping. So we are near the sea, and there's a swimming pool here that I'm gonna show you. So this is how it looks like. So there's the sea, and there is a swimming pool here. There are so many boats. So the swimming pool goes from here to here. And there's another resort beside this one. So that's our view. So this is the first floor. Giikot na kami ni Mama. Nakadalang tsinelas. Yung mga G-foods. Ito yung katabing resort. Yung mga bundok dun. Ganda ng place, guys. May mga bulaklak sa sand. Ano kaya ito tumubo? Guys, ano pang volleyball dito? Volleyball net. Tinanggal ni Mama yung sapatos niya. Buhangin na to. Yung mga mangingisda. Dapat pala. Ang laki ng place ng kabilang resort. May ano dito. Puno ng buko. Hindi nila kinukuha. Pero puno ng buko. Tapos yan ang Dalampasigan Seashore. Ganda dito, guys. God's creation. Ganda. Ganda ng formation ng ulap, guys. Ito yung kainan, guys. Pwede ka magpaluto. Kanina na breakfast kami dito. So, ngayon malapit ng tanghalian. Mahangin siya, guys. Yung mga bata naglalaro. May ice cream. Si mama. High tide or low tide?
High tide. Yung pag low tide, pag ano na siya, low tide,
Nakikita na yung parang lupa-lupa.
bumalik siya doon.
Ang ganda na nung sinag ng araw sa tubig. Hello everyone! It's windy here. Kami na lang natira sa mga umuupa. Sa mga nag-rent ng mga kwarto. Ganda dito, guys. Hanggang bukas pa kami. Hanggang 12 pa kami dito bukas. Daming puno ng buko. Dagat. We're here at Brizo Resort. It is, I think, still Morong, Bataan. You can hear some birds chirping, some motorcycles passing by, and it's a bit windy and sunny at the same time. You can also hear the waves from the sea. And yeah, there are plenty of trees around, like coconut trees, and there are also bamboo, some other trees. There are birds passing by. It really is a nice weather. So we're gonna be here up until tomorrow noon, and we stayed for about 2 nights here. A while ago, there are other people that were eating by this part of the resort. You can hear the waves. So it's sunset, but it is hidden by the clouds. Hello guys, good morning. It's a cloudy day today. It rained a while ago. This is our view.
Panaginip kong kay Tito Buloloy. Nakwento ko na sa iyo, ano? Tito Buloloy mo. Nasa Last Supper.
Oh,
Ha?